Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So in previous video we have already understood the central nerve system. So today we are going to understand the peripheral nerve system and automated nerve system. Okay. So now we are going to start the peripheral nerve system. So what is peripheral nerve system? See, the nerves which are present on the periphery region of the body and they are controlled by our central nerve system are called as the periphery nerve or peripheral nerve system. The peripheral nerve systems, there are two types of nerve cells are present. They are controlled by our brain. So the peripheral nerve system includes cranial nerves, and spinal nerve. So cranial nerves, they emerge from the brain. And they are associated with the head region, thorax region and abdominal region. Okay. So we have to write here cranial nerves originated from brain and associated with head, thorax and abdomen. That means it is head. Okay, head. So head region में, thorax region में and abdominal region में जो नर्व्स एसोसिएटेड होती है वो डायरेक्टली कहां से होती है? ब्रेन से, जो ब्रेन से ओरिजिनेटेड होगी एंड दे कंट्रोल द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ आवर हेड रीजन, देन thorax region and abdominal region. Okay, there are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. So we have to write here 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, now the spinal nerve. The spinal nerves, they are originated from the spinal cord. वो हमारे spinal cord से originated होगी and associated with the arms part, legs part, skin and other part of the our body. Okay, these are nothing but the spinal nerves. So what are spinal nerve? The nerves originated from the spinal cord and associated with arms, legs, skin and other parts of the body are called as the spinal nerve. Okay, so this is the part that you have to remember and you have to write. Okay, so cranial nerves are originated from the brain. वो brain से originate होगी and they are associated with head, thorax and abdomen. Whereas the nerve originated from the spinal cord, और spinal cord से originate होगी and associated with arms, legs, skin and other parts of the body are called as spinal nerves. There are 31 pair of spinal nerves that we have to write also. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerve in human body. हम ह्यूमन बॉडी की बात कर रहे हैं. ओके, human body. Okay, so this is nothing but the peripheral nerve system, जिसको हम शॉर्ट में कहते हैं PNS. Okay, so what is PNS? It is the peripheral nerve system. They associated with the brain, spinal cord, and control other activity of the brain, thorax, abdominal, arms, then legs, skin, etc., etc. Okay, so they are nothing but the peripheral nerve system, or they are the part of peripheral nerve system. Okay, so write down this first, then we have to move toward the associate or autonomous nerve system. Okay, so write down. So now we will understand the autonomous nerve system. Okay, so what is autonomic or automated nerve system? So the nerve system which is not controlled by our brain are called as autonomic nerve system. They includes the pumping of our heart. See, the pumping of our heart is not controlled by our brain. That means this organ is nothing but involuntary organ, and these activities are called as involuntary activities. Such activities are controlled by the automated or autonomic nerve system. Okay, so other actions like the rhythmic pumping of our heart, then the respiration, that is breathing in oxygen rich air and breathing out carbon dioxide gas, which is again the automated nerve system, which is again controlled by the automated nerve system. Because breathing के ऊपर हमारा कंट्रोल नहीं होता. Okay, by our will we can control for some time, like few seconds, but a few seconds or up to 1 to 2 minutes, but otherwise which is not controlled by our brain. Because when we are sleeping, जब हम सो रहे होते हैं, that time also our respiratory system is working. So that time our brain is not controlling the breathing action. That's why the breathing action, that is the lungs functioning, is controlled by the automated nerve system. If we will take example of the digestion of food and transportation of food from esophagus to stomach से फिर जो फूड ट्रांसफर होगा कहाँ, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, देन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन से लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में. तो फूड का जो मूवमेंट है हमारे एलिमेंट्री कैनाल में, विच इज अगेन नॉट कंट्रोल्ड बाय आवर ब्रेन. दैट मीन्स इट इज अगेन अ इनवॉलंटरी एक्शन एंड विच इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द ऑटोमेटेड नर्व सिस्टम. ओके, so digestion of food, then absorption of nutrition and assimilation of nutrition, energy production, these are other activities which are controlled by the automated nerve system itself. Okay, so automated nerve system is what? The involuntary organs, or we can say the functioning of involuntary actions which is controlled by the automated nerve system and which is not controlled by our will. वो हमारी इच्छा से या हमारे सोचने या थॉट प्रोसेस के ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं होंगे. ओके, सच nerve system, functioning of nerve system is called as automated or autonomic nerve system. In short हम इसको ANS भी कहते हैं. ओके, so अब हम देखेंगे रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, whether it is automated or which is controlled by our brain, that is the central nerve system. Okay, so now we will see the reflex action. Reflex action. So what is reflex action now? So the action performed by our body by the stimulus of something happening in our surrounding and we are responding against such stimulus without thinking are called as reflex action. ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्शन जो हम विदाउट थिंकिंग यानी हमारे ब्रेन से कंट्रोल नहीं हो रही, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड विदाउट थिंकिंग. आवर बॉडी परफॉर्म अगेंस्ट सच स्टिमुलस, सच एक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. सपोज कि आप साइलेंटली बुक पढ़ रहे हैं और आपका फ्रेंड आकर आपको डरा दे, ओके, सो उस समय आपकी बॉडी जो रिस्पॉन्स करेगी वो कैसे करेगी? विदाउट थिंकिंग. ओके, तो सच एक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. सो व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन नाउ? The action which is performed by our body with the stimulus of something happening in our surrounding, and such actions which are performed without our thinking are called as reflex action. Okay, so to understand the reflex action you can go through this diagram. The diagram explains that when we are touching the burning candle, then our hand automatically we are moving away our hand from the burning candle. That means ये जो प्रोसेस है एक्चुअल में हमारे ब्रेन से कंट्रोल नहीं हो रही है. So which part is controlling such actions? So such actions is controlled by the spinal cord itself. Okay, जब स्पाइनल कॉर्ड जब इन एक्शंस को परफॉर्म करेगी या फंक्शन करेगी, कंट्रोल करेगी, तब स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, क्योंकि एक्शन को बहुत सडन कंप्लीट करना जरूरी होता है, बिकॉज अगर ये एक्शंस मैसेज हमारे ब्रेन तक जाएंगे और ब्रेन से जब रिटर्न मैसेज आएंगे, इट टेक्स टाइम, तब तक के आपका हैंड जल सकता है. दैट्स व्हाई सच एक्शंस आर कंट्रोल्ड बाय द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इटसेल्फ. ओके, तो सच एक्शंस आर कॉल्ड एज रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन. ओके, so you have to understand, for the better understanding you have to repeat this video again for to understand the concept clearly about the autonomous nerve system, PNS, that is peripheral nerve system, and the reflex action also. Okay, in a reflex action diagram there are some numbers are given, that is number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you have to draw this diagram and label all this number. Okay, so the first number, what it is given, that we are touching the burning candle. Okay, so from this part of our body or hand, there are the impulses will create and they move and we are moving away our hand. Okay, due to the stimulus which is controlled by the spinal cord. Okay, so here number 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, that you have to write them. Okay, you have to label them, we can say. Okay, so students, here we have completed our nerve system part, that is the central nerve system. It includes brain and spinal cord. Then we have completed the peripheral nerve system. In peripheral nerve system we have completed the cranial nerves, the functioning of cranial nerves and spinal nerves. And in automated nerve system we have understood the reflex action. Okay, so there are certain actions we are responding without thinking. You have to write such examples also. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. In next video we will start the chemical control. Okay, and it is the really very important one, because the chemical control is nothing but the hormonal control which is performed in our body. Okay, so students, bye for now.